Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So, if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Let's get right into it. So first, we are making a chunky monkey smoothie. Now, it is so simple. It's only 4 ingredients. And this is definitely for on the go. Now, you have to get 2 frozen bananas. Then you have 1 1/2 cup of organic almond milk. You have 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips, Lily's organic chocolate chips, and then you have 2 tablespoons of organic creamy peanut butter. Now, I'm going to put my almond milk in. There we go. And then got my peanut butter. And guys, this is for on the go if you're going to sports, and also if you just need a pick-me-up. And good, and then you have your chocolate chips. And now we blend it until fully mixed. It looks so good already. And let's check to see if it's smooth. And looks smooth. Now guys, guess what? I got my chunky monkey smoothie glass. And now let's pour. And this is so good for a pick-me-up. If you're going to sports. Here you go. And let's try it. Oh my gosh, guys. That is awesome. It has the flavor of the peanut butter, the almond milk, the chocolate chips, and the banana. It's so healthy. And this is how you put good food into your body so that you don't have all that crud. And remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more of my videos. And bye, guys.